Hey there, so this is a quick tutorial on how to use your rainbow system. So first off, what we want to do is the fill line is to the top of that water bowl, that dome in the middle, all right? Or I'll show you right here on the side. So that's the actual fill line. It's the same as the actual dome in the center, all right? And what you do is, if you look, it has the opening right there. And you have the opening there. What you do is just line it up. Okay, you can try to put it wrong, but it won't go on. It's only one way. So the opening goes to that opening. Line it up, lay it down, and then there's one latch at the bottom first, and then up. And we'll go on this side at the bottom first, hold it, and then up. Last, that's flat where the wheels are. And the back of the machine is flat. So what do? Check it out. You just align it in the back, and then it locks into place. And then to release it, the only thing you have to do is put your foot here or your finger and then lift it. That unlocks it. Okay. Next, we're going to go to the hose. All right. And give me a second. And this is the actual hose. So the hose, all you do is you lift it right here. Lift it, and then when you want to make sure you go side to side there, it's locked in place. How do you release it? Just press the two tabs. Press and pull. Once again, lift, and there. Okay. Now to turn the machine on, all you do is, this is the main button. That's for the strong suction, which is forward. Okay. That's off. And then check it out. If you press this one right here, that's the air filter speed. That's when you want to use it just as an air purifier without the hose connected. And then that's off, okay? And then last, you go over here to the power head and check it out and show you. All right. When you're going to use the power head, right, I'll go right to the top over here. So this has 3 positions. Forward is to use it on the hard floors. Middle, and you'll feel it. Middle is actually trigger sensitive, but if you bring the button all the way back, that locks it and it stays on, okay? But when you're done using it, make sure you bring it forward when you're done, because if you leave it on lock, watch what happens. I'm gonna now turn the machine on, watch this. All right, and when you turn it on, what happens is, see that? All right. You got to make sure that it's off the lock when you're done using it and you're going to put it away. All right, so there you have it. If you have any questions on your machine, let me know. And to change it to the floor brush, the hard floor, the only thing you got to do is put your foot there and pull it, and that'll disengage it. And then you put the floor brush, the big jumbo brush, which is for hard floors. There you have it. And then last, when you're not using your machine, I'll show you. When you're not using your rainbow, when you put it away in the closet, obviously you empty out the water, you throw out the dirt, but leave the bowl separate. And then this is how you store it. So you store it with the wheels, but without the water container. And what that does, that airs the water reservoir out. There you have it. Any questions? You got my number. Thanks.